Hello guys, let's make this yummy lamb stew today. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add butter in my hot cooking pan. Then I'll follow it with white onions. Then I'm going to mix this well. I had put my red, yellow and green bell pepper in oven to burn, and they are ready, plus tomatoes, and I'm going to blend this all together. In my onions, I'm going to add a cinnamon stick, cloves and some garlic paste. Then I'm going to mix this well, and after it has cooked kidogo, I'm going to add my lamb inside my lamb meat now. Then I'll mix this well and let it cook until my meat turn into brown color. Then I'll add seasoning cubes to this, and then I'm going to mix it well, add my paprika and my curry powder. I'll also add bay leaves and some salt to taste. I'm going to add my mixture now into my meat, mix it well. Then I'll go in and add water into my blender and bring everything that was remaining there into my pot. Let it simmer a little bit, and now it's time to put my yogurt. I'm going to use plain yogurt. Then I'll mix this well and let it simmer on a low heat for at least 7 to 10 minutes. At this point, I think my lamb stew is ready. I'm going to serve my lamb stew hot, and I'm going to eat this with naan. Yeah, my baby is happy too. If you want to know how I made my naan bread, please stay tuned, because this will be the next video that I'm going to upload. For my TikTok fans, thank you so much for always being here and supporting me, watching my video and sharing my videos. For my YouTube fans, thank you so much for the returning subscriber. If you are a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my new recipes. For my Instagram fans, thank you so much for the support.